I'm going to do 21B here as a way to discuss how to go backwards from I have a probability, an area, and I need the values. So this one talks about Navy pilots, and the U.S. Navy requires fighter pilots to have a height between 62 and 78 inches. If the Navy changes height requirements that all women are eligible except the shortest 3 and the tallest 3%, what are the new height requirements for women? So you should start with a picture. So what this is asking us here is that here at the end, there's 3% down here and 3% up here, and this is what we're cutting off, okay? And we want to know what these values are, okay? Now, there's a couple ways. I'm going to do this in Excel. I have videos up for you if you want to do the TI or the table, but I'm going to do this one in Excel. And so we need to figure out what that is. Now, they gave us the mean and standard deviation for women's heights, so we need this information right here, okay? I'm going to open up Excel here, and I'm going to go to More Functions, Statistical, and I'm going to go down here to norm inverse, but I don't want the S1, okay? So remember, we're using this one. This is if I had a z-score, okay? And now you could convert the z-score using the z-score conversion formula and then use this norm.s, but you don't have to. You can use just this norm inverse here, and you can skip that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a probability, so I want 0.03. My mean was 63.7, and this was 2.9. This gives me, remember, this always goes to the left, so this just gave me this bottom value. So 58.2 here inches would be the bottom cutoff. Okay, now I want to find the top cutoff. Okay, so remember 3% goes this way. To get this one, I need to figure out what this area is up to here, which is 97, right? It's everything but that 3%. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to change this 0.3 to 0.97. And you can go back and do the whole thing, or you could be lazy like I'm doing. And now 69.2. So this value right here is 69.2. So then if the Navy changes requirements, these would be the new requirements. Women should be between 58.2 inches and 69.2 inches, and this would only exclude 6% of the women, the bottom 3 and the top 3. So hopefully this shows you how to do it in Excel. You see Excel did all the conversions and everything for you. It is important to pay attention to draw the picture so you know what values to put in. And remember, it always goes to the left. It's the area to the left of your value. So you really need to think about that and what values you're putting in, and that's where that picture is so important.